kids, I'm Kev from Taupō District Libraries, and today we're going to look at some famous astronomy words, the vocabulary. And today's special word is... Let's get started, shall we? Sarah Salmond was a famous early Kiwi astronomer. She was born in Scotland and was the youngest of 7 children. To escape poverty and starvation, the family, all except for one daughter, sailed in a big ship for New Zealand on rough, wild seas that turned them green. They arrived in Dunedin in 1873. By the time she was 15, Sarah was housekeeping for 2 of her brothers at their farm at Lake Whakatipu, becoming the first woman to do so. There she taught the kids how to read. In 1886, the year Tarawera erupted, she was safe in the South Island, now married to a carpenter in Queenstown, and had 8 kids. Astronomy was her hobby. In 1874, many American scientists came to Queenstown to observe the transit of Venus. Sarah wanted this event to be captured and had a special plaque installed to mark the site of this special event in 1953. She died at the age of 92 at hospital and had 2 books at her bedside, the Bible and a book on astronomy.